Hey guys, this is Kimberly here from Mezzo Makeover, coming back to you with another tutorial. Today I decided to do another short tutorial on an eye look using the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the inside. Nice neutral brown colors. You have a warm brown and a cool brown, nice transition colors here. Some two shimmery shades. This kind of coppery color, and then you have this kind of taupey color down here. So if you are interested in seeing me do this look with the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, then please keep on watching. So guys, I'm starting out with my base already on. I used the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation in Spice and a little bit of Nutmeg. I highlighted under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, above my lip and on my chin with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I also have already drawn on my, or filled in my brows, and the base that I'm using on my eyelids is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and I just put some face powder, some Airspun translucent powder over that to set that. And so now I'm just going to go into the Juvia's Place palette with this is a BH Cosmetics. No, this is a Coastal Scents brush, just a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to go into this color here. The eyeshadows don't have names. I'm just going to go into that color right there on the palette, and I'm going to put that color into my crease. I'm just going to continue to put that color there until I've built it up to the desired opacity that I wanted. I'm also going to try to drag it up just a little bit toward my brow bone. I'm going to take this same brush and take some more of that color and just kind of make a V shape on the outer in the outer V of my eye. I'm going to take this same brush, I'm wiping it off with a paper towel, and I'm going to take a little bit of this warm brown and just deepen up my crease just a little. As well, and I'm also deepening up the outer V. I'm also going to take that deeper color and take it underneath the outer edge of my outer eye. Just the outer edge. All right, I'm gonna take another brush. This brush is by Luxie. Can't really read the number on it, but it is a just a fluffy, it's really a fluffy shader brush here that I'm going to use to place this matte shade, this kind of goldy, mustardy colored matte shade on my lid. I'm just gonna pat that right on. And I'm just gonna go about 3/4 of the way over so that I won't lose the dark area that I created in my outer V. I'm gonna take that all the way up to the crease. And then I'm gonna go back into the crease, wiping off that other brush that I had before. And I'm gonna go back into the crease with just a little bit of that darker color again, just to make sure, just to kind of blend those together. And I'm gonna do it very carefully so that I won't lose any of that lighter color. Right. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to be taking the Milani Stayput matte eyeliner, and this one is a brown color. I believe it's called Coffee Matte. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just place that along my lash line. And this is a beautiful brown eyeliner. So the lashes that I'll be putting on are the Red Cherry Lashes in Christina. It's just a wispy lash. I've already put my glue on there and it's already been sitting, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that lash to my eye. All right, guys, so this is my third time trying to record this part of my video. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. And the lashes are Red Cherry Lashes in the style Christina. And it's a wispy lash. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. I had actually applied it and put the wrong lash on my eye. I put the right eyelash on this one. I keep doing that. But these are, to me, they're really long, but they're wispy lash. And I think I like it. I think it's cute. So let me see if I can get this on without my tweezers. I don't know. Can't talk while I'm doing it. And I apologize if you can't see what I'm doing. I'm looking in the mirror and I can barely see what I'm doing. Whew, okay, sorry about that, guys. I am having a rough time right now with this video. I'm trying to get something up, but it is just, it's rough. So I just applied my lash. I'm just gonna make sure that it's on. I had bought some an eyelash curler set and got this cute little thing here that helps me to curl the individual lashes, or a few lashes at a time, and I thought it was really cute. So I'm going to use that to help press my my natural lashes and the false lashes together. Oh no. And okay, got that. I believe I just pulled my lash. Oh, wait, oh my gosh, Kim, really? Yeah, the hardest time, because I just pulled the lash away from my eye. So I'm gonna go off camera and fix this, and then fix this, do my other eye, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so I finally got my lashes on. Oh, goodness. And these are, like I said, they're nice and wispy. I like wispy lashes, so these lashes work for me. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara just to blend my natural lashes in with the false lashes and on the bottom lash. All right. And lastly, I will be applying, for my lipstick, I will be using the Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour or 24 color lipstick. And this color, I'm not sure what color this is, but I will put it in the description box below. I don't have my glasses with me, so I can't see what color it is. But this is the one that has the liquid lipstick on one end, and then it has a balm on the other end so that the lipstick will stay. So I'm going to be applying this. And the name of this one has to be something chocolate, because the smell, it smells like chocolate. And once this dries down a little bit, then that's when you apply the balm. And it just looks like that. And I'll apply the balm right on top. This is a very comfortable liquid lipstick. I like it a lot. So, and I got a couple of colors in that collection. So this is the final look, guys. This was really a struggle video. As short as it is, it was really a struggle video. But I hope you guys like the look. Again, I use the Juvia's Place chocolate palette. I do like this palette. It's a nice everyday palette for me. And I think you can, you know, anybody can come up with a lot of different looks from this palette. Oh, one thing that I did forget to do that I'm going to do now, I'm going to wipe off this brush that I used on my lid. Wipe that off on my tissue. And I'm going to take this, actually, this color right here, just a little bit of it, and put that in the inner corner. To get just a little bit of shimmer. This is a big brush to use, but I'm using just the edge of it to get that color in there. At least I'm trying. Like I said, struggle video. I got it though. I worked it out. All right. And so again, guys, this is the final look. I hope you will try this. Juvia's Place is having a nice sale right now, and so if you want to get your hands on any of their palettes, I believe the minis, and that's what this is, the Juvia's Place Chocolate Minis palette. I believe the minis are like $10 right now, which isn't a bad price. And they've and they have a lot of their palettes on sale right now. So again, if you're somebody who likes neutral looks and want a palette that you can use every day, this is a perfect palette for you. So again, I'm Kimberly. This is Mezzo Makeover, and thank you for watching. All of the information for the look will be in the description box below. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Give me some comments and suggestions on the types of looks that you want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.